Hello and welcome. I'm back at Harbor Freight. I'm going to show you the latest deals that they have going on for the super coupons. I'm going to go over the top ones that they have offering here in August. So let's get started here in the air tools and compressors section. Now they just had a sign fall down. It's for this Black Widow professional gravity fed spray gun. It is normally priced at $179. With a super coupon, you can save 30 bucks. So it's gonna be priced at $149.99. Excellent savings there. Let's move on to the next. And they have this Chief Professional Long Barrel Air Hammer. With the super coupon, it is normally priced at $140, and with the super coupon, it's gonna be 110 bucks. So you're gonna save $30 off of that. Excellent savings there. And they do have this Fortress 4-gallon 200 psi compressor rated at 1.5 horsepower. It does have dual ports there. Normally priced at $239, and with the super coupon, it's going to be priced at $219, so you're saving 20 bucks there. And they have this Earthquake XT stubby air impact wrench. It is a 1/2-inch one with a jumbo hammer, 700 foot-pounds of torque that it's rated at. It's normally priced at 79 bucks, but you're going to save 12%, so it's going to be priced at $69.99. Then moving on into the automotive section, they do have a super coupon on this Badland 9500 series winch with the steel rope. Now, I would honestly wait until the parking lot sale, but if you can't wait, the normal price is $319. But with the super coupon, it's going to be $279, so you're saving $40 there. But if you wait until the parking lot sale, you're going to be saving 30% off of this. And another Badland winch that they have for the 2500 series, 2500 pound rating, normally priced at 80 bucks. With the super coupon, you're going to save 25% off, so it's going to be $59.99. But again, I would wait until the parking lot sale when they're going to be offering 30% off of the Badland winches and accessories. And there's a super coupon for this Pittsburgh 3-ton heavy-duty rapid pump jack. This store, it's normally priced at $149, but according to the super coupon, they have it normally priced at $159. But regardless of the in-store price, it's going to be $109 with the super coupon. Again, I would honestly wait until the parking lot sale when they're going to offer the Daytona 3-ton jack for the same price of $109. So I'd wait for that if you can. And if you're in need of a disc brake service toolkit, they have this one by Maddox, normally priced at $42. They're going to have a super coupon here for only $29.99. It is saving 28%, so pretty good deal there on this Maddox. And then there's this Icon 3/8 drive oil filter socket set that you can get, normally priced at 50 bucks. But with the super coupon, you're going to save 30%, so it's going to be $35 there. And these super coupons that I'm going over do expire on August 17th, so you do have some time till past the middle of the month at least. So you have to make sure you download them or put them on your app and then buy them from there. So they do have this funnel set. It's a 4-piece funnel set made of plastic. Normally priced at $179. Again, you got a super coupon for only 99 cents, so it's saving 44% there. And if you're in need of a trash pump, they have this big one by Predator. It's up to 23,000 gallons per hour, 10 times the max flow, and it'll pass 1.25 inch debris through it, so you can go suck up sand and rock, and it'll pass it through the pump and then on out the discharge hose. So they have this one. It's normally priced at $8.99. And with the super coupon, you can save 100 bucks, so it's $7.99. And they have a super coupon for this Predator 1800 watt portable generator, and it's rated at 1400 running watts. Normally priced at $349, and they have the super coupon where you can save 50 bucks, so it is $2.99. And they also have a super coupon for this newer product they have out by Predator. It is the foldable solar panel. 200 watt rating. It weighs only 18.25 pounds. It says it can do up to 1,000 watt hours of power output per day. So pretty decent little solar panel there. It's normally priced at $229, but they do have the super coupon for $199, so you're saving $30 there. And they do have super coupons on the different hand tools, like the different socket sets. So be sure to compare between these super coupons as well as what they're going to be doing at the parking lot sale, because the sockets, they're going to be doing 30% off. And even the torque wrench, they're going to be doing 40% off. So they're going to be doing better deals during the parking lot sale, so maybe hold off on some of these sets. So for example, they have this Quinn 3/8 drive SAE M metric high visibility socket set. You're only saving 12% with the super coupon, but wait until the parking lot sale when you can save 30%. And if you're in need of some small swivel caster wheels, they have this ones that by Hallmaster 2-inch pliable rubber swivel casters, normally priced at $2.99. Well, they have a super coupon for only $1.99, so it's saving 33% on that deal. And if you're in need of some batteries, they do have some good deals on the AAA, AA, and C batteries, and even D. All for this month, ITC member pricing. So to give you an example, 18-pack of the AAA batteries, normally priced at $8.99. They're going to be $3.99 now, the ITC member price, and that is good until 28. Another example, even for the AA, 18 of them, also priced at $3.99. Same thing with the C. With the C, you're getting 4 of them, priced at $3.99. You can get 4 Ds, also for $3.99. Great savings there, saving $5 off the packs, and they're also including the 9-volt batteries too. That they have a 2-pack of them for $4 as well. So good time to stock up on some batteries if you need them. So they do have this Warrior titanium step drill bit, 3-piece set. It's good for going through steel, copper, brass, aluminum, and plastic. So yeah, normally priced at $13.99. Well, they do have a super coupon for $9.99. That's saving only 28%. So remember, this is the month they're going to be doing a parking lot sale, and the step drill bits are included in the deal that they're going to be doing, where you can save 30% off of all drill bits and step drill bits. So it's going to be excellent savings there. It's going to be 40% off during the parking lot sale. It includes all brands of Hercules, Bauer, and Warrior drill bit set. So 40% off there. So definitely worth waiting if you can wait, because the super coupon, you're only going to save 28%. So definitely worth the wait to save additional 12% in my opinion. And then the same thing goes for the Hercules step drill bit set. They have the number 4 and the number 5 packaged together, normally priced at $49.99. With the super coupon, you're going to only save 30%, so it's going to be $34.99. But again, wait until the parking lot sale when you can save the 40%. About $40 off of this Hercules surface conditioning tool. It is 9 amp, goes from 1,000 to 3,700 RPM. It's a 4.5-inch drum diameter. They do have different levels of grit for conditioning different surfaces. So you save $40 off of the 140. Excellent deal there at $99 with the super coupon. They do have this Bauer 12 amp 1600 watt heat gun. With the super coupon, the price is normally $35, but with the super coupon it's going to be $28, so you're going to save 20% on that. Again, the super coupons are good until the 17th of the month, so you do have some time. Pretty good deal there for only $28. And they're running a deal with the super coupon on the small US General toolbox. It's the mini one, 2-drawer with the top lid, normally priced at $18.99. Well, with the super coupon, you're going to save $4, so it's going to be $14.99. You do have a few different color options, whether it's red, blue, and black. So those are your options. Pretty good savings there. If you're in the market for a little toolbox, these are pretty cool. And they have a super coupon for this US General, holds up to 80 sockets of the multi-rail socket tray. So your choice of red and black. It's normally priced at $19.99. And they do have a super coupon for $16.99, so you're saving 15%. And if you're in need of a welding cart, they have the Ultimate in Welding Storage by Vulcan. It's the welding cabinet. It has 4 drawers as well as a cabinet. So they have a special here on the super coupon. It is normally priced at $3.99, and you can save $50 with the super coupon, so it's going to be $3.49. All right, if you got value from this video, I would appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos I do in the future. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day.